Jesus. Okay, voila. Baby, the event I went to yesterday with my men, Anambra boys. Hey, Jesus. Baby, there is money. There is Igbo money. There is Anambra money. Hey! Who was in a Virgo? Who was in Hey, baby. After they be saying that Anambra people are doing money ritual. You do poverty ritual. You be looking for somebody's source of income, but you cannot find the source of poverty. Baby, who was in Diego? Who was in a Yesterday, my men, I was with them. I know they were spraying money up and down, baby. Hey!
How much did you spray? Just me, Joe.
Spray? Yes, now I spray perfume. Go. I wear better body spray. I was smelling very nice, baby.
Wait.
Trust your man now.
I don't mean how much spray that you sprayed. I mean ego, not perfume. How much did you spray? You be Anambra boy now, so tell me how much did you spray?
Hello?
How much did you spray?
Network card. Hello? Kimola, are you there? Kimola? Hello?
I can't hear you.
I cannot. Kimola?
Hustle. Make your friends don't go to spray money. You go turn blogger for them. Begin to gist people about how they take spray money.
Kimola, I'm from Nobagona Palace. Code.